Okay guys, it's yours truly back with another unboxing video. So this train is one that I've been wanting for years, and I finally have it. Let's just get started with the opening, okay? Be back in a second. Okay guys, you ready? This came all the way from France. Yeah, I got one of these. It's not the Joe F one. Don't get me wrong, the Joe F ones are nice, but these here are where it's at. So let me see if I can get this out with one hand. That's not gonna work. I'm trying to hold it with my feet. Oh, yep. Okay, so we got it. That's part of the. Oh, look at that. All right, so that is part of the box or set or whatever. I think this set is used, but I could be wrong. It was used on a layout. I mean, look at the box, guys. Like, this is really nice. Like, I like this. So give me a second. I'm going to try to get it out. Okay, so we got some different functions here. Obviously, it's in French, but I can clearly see, like, turbine, turbine start, auxiliary on and off, stuff like that. It's a 5-car set, just like the original. I'm going to go into more detail about this because this deserves its own like little separate video. And then here's like a booklet on like the history of it. Which is pretty cool. This is the manual. So it shows you literally how to uncouple and couple the cars properly. Gives you details as to how to couple two sets together. This is pretty detailed. I like this. And then it also shows you how to change the details on the sides of the power cars. Then how you pop the body shells off. It's all in French though, so I can't read any of it, but I can probably understand. This is how you take your gear covers off to lubricate it. This is your motor and your truck tower, and so your drive system right here. The only difference between this and the Rapido RTL turboliners is that there's only one power car in this set, whereas with the Rapido sets, both power cars are powered. See? You only have one power car in this set, and then the remaining one is a trailer. And these are your exploding diagrams of your coaches, and so forth. Alright, let's get to the real show here. Wow. So these are the power cars. And this is an actual plaque right here. These are your... Look at all the parts that you get with this thing. Now, these trains at one time were the fastest stopping trains in the world because they had electromagnetic brake shoes. So which one of these is the power car? I think this one. Oh, I think this one's the power car. Oh yeah, this is. Oh my God, this thing is heavy. This is okay. Wow. Okay, guys, this is the EPM RTG Turboliner in the flesh, and the power car is pretty heavy, but it's not as heavy as the Rapido one. Let's just do a comparison. Let me flip this around. All right, let me flip this around. I'm sorry, guys, my workstation is a mess. I got some projects going on here. There's my Gundam. But let's do a comparison here. Let's see. Yeah, the Rapido ones are definitely heavier. It's dusty, but yeah. So there's a comparison for you. So the EPM models is on the right, the Rapido is on the left, and the lengths are they're pretty similar. And the lengths are pretty much the same. I mean, they're pretty similar, but that's pretty cool though. Then this is the undercarriage detail. My battery's getting ready to die, or my phone's getting ready to, you know, but yeah, this is just a comparison, guys, but I hope you enjoyed this quick